my name is Mallory Mackey, and today I'm going to show you how to get a tight wave hairstyle. So before I start curling my hair, I'm going to use a hairspray and spray it all around my hair so the curls hold better. So I'm going to curl my entire head using a curling wand. So next, I'm just going to add a few curls up at the top up here, just so it gives it more volume to the wave. And now I'm going to hairspray everything again, just to make sure it stays in place when I twist it. So next I'm going to take pieces of my hair that are about an inch thick and twist them and then pin them up on my head. So now that I have the twists all in my head, I'm going to hairspray and let it sit for 1 hour. So now I'm going to remove all the twists. It might look a little wild at first, but don't freak out because you just brush it out and it'll tame it a little bit. So now I just took a comb, a flat tooth comb, and I made a part in the side, so I have a nice volume over here and a cute little side part. And that's all for today. I'll see you next time.